It's not about the moments that define us, but how we choose to respond to them. There are times when life will hit you hard. It may feel like the weight of the world is crushing your spirit, making you question who you are and what you're capable of. In those moments, it's natural to feel overwhelmed, to doubt yourself, and to wonder if you have what it takes to rise again. You have everything inside of you that you need. Deep within your soul lies a reservoir of strength, courage, and resilience. It's a flame that flickers even in the darkest of times, waiting to be ignited. It's in those moments of adversity that the true power of your character is revealed. It's your response that will shape the rest of your life. Will you let the challenges define you, or will you rise from the ashes, stronger and more determined than ever? Life's hurdles may be unique to each of us, but the journey to overcome them is universal. I implore you to embrace your inner power. Embrace your unique voice, your talents, and your passions. Embrace the fire within you that burns brightly, fueling your drive to make a difference in the world. The path ahead may not always be easy, but know that you are not alone. You have everything inside of you that you need. You possess the power to rise above any challenge and shape the rest of your life. Continue to fight for what you believe in, stand tall in the face of adversity, and let your authentic self shine brightly. Remember that you have the strength within you to overcome anything that comes your way. Believe in yourself, embrace your journey, and know that your voice matters. The world is waiting for you to make your mark. Keep fighting, keep believing, and keep shining.